morning from Flagstaff. So I'm just going to give you a little tour of the tiny house that I'm staying in because it's kind of cute and quaint. Let me show you. So you come in through this door and there's a sort of outside area. Then you come into the kitchen. It's got cutlery and stuff, and it's got a dishwasher, sink, an oven, fridge, and shoes to fall over. And then this is the living space, so it's okay. And then you get quite good light in here because it's like a loft, but this is kind of designed like a tiny house, which is kind of cool. So yeah, this is the house. So these are sirens, have been going off all day. And you have a bedroom, and there's quite a nice view of the mountains, which is kind of nice. So yeah, and then it's got a barn door with those barn door railings, and then nice bathroom and a walk-in shower. And then behind me I've got cupboard space and the washing machine. So yeah, it's my tiny house in Flagstaff. So you might be wondering what I'm doing in North Arizona, because I was just in Phoenix and I'm now in northern Arizona. And the reason is because I'm going to the Grand Canyon, and Flagstaff is an area where you can book a tour and they'll take you to the Grand Canyon and drive you, show you the South Rim and loads of viewing points. So I'm doing that in a couple of days. And it's also a really good jumping off point for Antelope Canyon, which I'm going on a tour tomorrow, which will be very exciting. So I will share that with you as and when I do that. But today I've got a day off. I arrived yesterday, so I went to put my hire car up, which is outside. And yeah, just been chilling out in Flagstaff today. Went to Target. Have to go to Target when you're in America and buy. I bought food. But yeah, no, looking forward to the next couple of days.